Hi everybody, I wanted to talk a little bit about a new video I have. And you can go to gumroad.com/Teare, or you can go to bradteare.com/blog and go to blog number 358, and there'll be links there to the Gumroad video. I made the video into two parts so you can download it easily to your desktop or device, whatever. It has a lot of content. I talk about all my palette knives, and I do demonstrations in black and white to show the different marks of the palette knives. And I also do this painting over here on camera. I show how I mix the paint, how I texture the paint, how I do the different marks, all on camera. So I think it'll be a pretty complete overview of how to use the palette knife. Here are a few excerpts. Hi, I'm Brad Teare, and I'm going to be talking about painting with palette knives. Before we get started, let's take a look at some of the strokes in a painting that I recently did. And the reason this one is so nice is it's a fairly stiff blade. So when you're working with palette knives, there's several factors. You've got the texture of your canvas, and you've got you can see how I get a nice sharp edge there. Here's how I store my palette knives, and I put them on this magnetic strip. And I use an acrylic marker to put in my drawing. You can see my little sketch off to the side. You can see how beautiful that is. You're in the process of discovering something unique. Notice when I push harder on the palette knife, it smooths out the color. Normally I paint from the distance to the foreground. So that will come off in a very controlled way. And as you practice, you will get an intuitive feel for that process. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I hope you learned a few things. I hope you'll check out my Gumroad site and check out the other videos I have available, and we'll see you soon.